Welcome, Bailey family. Here are the main concepts covered in 8th grade science: Earth's history, chemistry, water and earth, energy, microbiology and disease, biotechnology, biological evolution, and biotic and abiotic factors. We will also take a look at the convection in the asthenosphere that causes the lithosphere to move, theory of continental drift, theory of plate tectonics, relative dating, the law of superposition in index fossils, and absolute dating with radioactive half-lives. During our unit of water, we will focus our attention on cohesion and adhesion, estuaries, river basins, watersheds, ocean zones, water quality indicators such as pH levels, turbidity, dissolved oxygen, nitrate levels, phosphate levels, biological indicators, and temperature. We will also learn about upwelling that occurs in our oceans. During chemistry, we will take a closer look at the structure of an atom, including its valence electrons, pure substances versus mixtures, molecules and compounds, the periodic table, the law of conservation of matter, and physical versus chemical properties and their changes. We will spend some time looking at energy, mainly renewable versus non-renewable energy resources, fossil fuels, and the pros and cons for each. During our unit of microbiology and infectious disease, we're going to look at the basic cell anatomy, compare and contrast microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protists, as well as other parasites. We will also spend some time looking at the transmission of the diseases, the eradication of the diseases, and the prevention of diseases. During our unit of biotechnology, we will expand our understanding of microbiology, take a close look at agricultural biotechnology on crops, medical biotechnology possibilities, and pharmaceutical biotechnology advancements. During biological evolution, we're going to take a look at some eons and eras, genetic evidence, fossil evidence, geologic evidence, and the theory of natural selection. To end our year, we will delve into ecosystems in regards to the biotic and abiotic factors, limiting factors on population, evolution trees, population spacing, food webs, and energy between trophic levels. Thank you for your time. Let's make this a great year together.